We get many things from forest. Gum, resin, jute and paper are important products. Can you think of any alternatives available for paper? What would happen if we had no wood? Well, to all these questions, recycling of paper is the simple answer. Paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for use. By recycling the paper, not only the trees, but also energy and water could be saved. Thus, we should save, reuse, and recycle paper. Well said, Adam. But recycling the paper is a measure just for controlling the deforestation temporarily. Can you suggest any permanent solution to the problem of deforestation? Yes, it is reforestation. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forests by planting new trees.